Bloodshed and war is all you know. A foolish thought divine. They should have known beasts would sink this low. Cause this world is hard, this suffocated in darkness. I'll take the mantle and mark it, reap until you burn.
Calling the crime scene crew, cause I'm seeing two, taking my seat into the time stream blue, taking your life new meaning to ICU, so you'll die seeing the vibrant tide being cute. No one is surviving, I'll wipe clean through. When defines me, who's died at a night, the truth. From the skies, may the light strike true. When any hope you find, divide them, leaving them sliced in two. I said it, life on the line, going in all and I bet it. Think I know in every sense of the word I'm a menace. You want a future, but asserting the present. We have the scale of imperial, rolling up in the metric. Blocks of intention, geometrically, dashing a bloodbath, a demon to the extreme, leaving to bleed. I'm thinking of things you'll never conceive, like a universe, another you is better than me. I won't stand for it, both hands, gripping, shaking it up when I weigh in, taking a sip of the gold standard. They get shred like it's anabolic enhancement. The planet, like it is some heavy, catch me a banquet. Read the end of the end, it's a man, a minute advancing. The plan banish the damn sin as the hands giving them the double tap. I punch through bare wetting is my calling duty. My answer, I'm translating in a new town for man's cancer, a pandemic. Say we end it all, stand on a chance if you stand waiting for damn venomous. No one's present, quick to the air, get them dealt to ruin. A fashion, a lancer, and this arrival in all black. And put the man fitted metal with a man who's hitting the kill cam, clipping and filling in man's penance to my chorus power. Only feel I care about is the milk brand business. Gravitic, disaster's natural, no light escapes me. All black, I'm black hole. Long passing and glasses half full. Make chains as God should be tasked with that role. Down that cruel, matter of factually, your mankind is fully trying to pass the elite's laughable. Crack a smile, passion, repeat the fact that you cannot beat me. I'm you, that's insane. Throw longer, the list I'm slaying. No hope for God, and your best start praying. Throw blows, I'm off of this, take this pain, it'll make me stronger. You don't know honor, I'm taking your time like a kid with a crayon that can't stay in the line. Make a blade in the shape of the hatred inside me. Try to erase my brain to define me.
So with this blatant decide, I read a miracle. Slice your heart and call it your love. You pass with gifted free mind, but no, it was never enough. You say there's beauty in humanity, a cursed life whenever it's rough. Half with God to turn a blind eye, but no, enough is enough.
Judgment comes, your kingdom falls. Humanity devolves, sins on thee won't be resolved. See this world, it is revolving, grounding me. You cretins all are feeble and weak. I'm not mean, just being honest. See the peak, I'm elite, the reach, cosmic street, the streets, clear them sheets, the be gone with. Justice given form. Just you all, best play before I cut you down. All like trusted with a sword. And out is the next end of the crumble pylon of the tunnel in the morgue. My ascension, on my mind, troubled with remorse. My intentions, my thin digits clench, and then they get pummeled in with force. Shots fired at me, I'm passing, roads fall riding backseat. No, it's the black bean, never the last be known. Where the trash heap, that you want to see us home. I'm this bad to the bone. Death for all, when you die, at least you're not dying alone. On arrival, kick back on my seat, the throne ain't surviving. They'll read the writing, get stoned, I get 'em. Bring it, swing it in the fist, I let 'em. Sink my teeth in the flesh, I shred 'em. Beat out even the best, I blood 'em. 19 inches of death, my venom. Seeping deep, I slip into 'em. Divine blade unsheathed, I rip through 'em and wipe clean anyone I see within view of my peace. And the time stream continuum.
Blatant decide, I read a miracle. Slice your heart and call it your love. You pass with gifted free minds, but no, it was never enough. You say there's beauty in humanity, a cursed life whenever it's rough. Half with God to turn a blind eye, but no, enough is enough.
New world is dead abound, their prayers curse it, dreaded sounds, their pleads for mercy set aloud, diluted human nonsense. Your lives are threads unwound, you broke your throne and shred the crown. You couldn't wrap your head around true beauty without concept. So if you want violence, this god is happy to oblige you. I'll fall silent, cause no one doing the way that I do. That's my truth, nuke 'em and I bloom. Your humans a tide wound that grew in a time ruin. My person divine suit in the swing of black night. Ruining her, gonna typhoon. Every last one of you's gonna die soon. You's gonna die soon.
Bloodshed and war is all you know. A foolish thought divine. They should have known beasts would sink this low. Cause this world is hard, this suffocated in darkness. I'll take the mantle and mark it, reap until you burn. So with this blatant decide, I read a miracle. Slice your heart and call it your love. You pass with gifted free minds, but no, it was never enough. You say there's beauty in humanity, a cursed life whenever it's rough. Half with God to turn a blind eye, but no, enough is enough.
Rifty.